Welcome, dear students. History, Standard 6, Lesson number 5, Religious Trends in Ancient India. Introduction. Yajna rites acquired undue importance towards the end of the Vedic period. The Varna system restrictions became very hard in the course of time. A person's social position was decided by the Varna into which he was born rather than by his achievements. The teachings of Upanishads. The teachings of Upanishads was difficult for ordinary people to understand. This gave rise to different deities such as Shiva and Vishnu. The Shaiva sect worshipped Shiva and the Vaishnava sect worshipped Vishnu. Certain trends around the 6th century BCE. Around the 6th century BCE, new religions were established. These religions stated that discrimination on the basis of caste has no place in an individual's upliftment. The work of Vardhaman Mahavir and Gautam Buddha is of special importance. Jainism. Jainism is one of the ancient religions in India. Non-violence is the main principle of Jainism. According to the Jain tradition, a person who reveals religious knowledge is known as a Tirthankar. Vardhaman Mahavir is the 24th Tirthankar in the Jain religious tradition. Vardhaman Mahavir 599 BCE to 527 BCE. BCE means before the Christ era. Vardhaman Mahavir was born in Kundagram in Vaishali in the state of Bihar. His father's name was Siddharth and mother's name was Trishala. Vardhaman Mahavir left his home and comforts in search of knowledge. After 12.5 years of rigorous hard tapa, he attained enlightenment. He was called Jina or conqueror. The term Jain derives from the word Jina. After the attainment of knowledge, he preached for about 30 years and made the people understand the religion. He used people's language, Ardhamagadi, to preach the teachings. The Pancha Mahavratas, the 5 great vows, 5 principles of living vows. First, Ahimsa. The meaning is non-violence. No living being should be hurt, injured, or harmed through one's behavior. Satya. Only speak the truth. Every speech and action should be true. Asteya. Do not steal. Asteya means theft. Taking what belongs to others without their consent is theft or stealing. Asteya means not stealing anything. Brahmacharya. sexually monogamous or chastity. It means leaving bodily pleasures and following the vows. Aparigraha, detach from material things, people, and places. Man tends to accumulate property due to greed. Aparigraha means not hoarding or accumulating anything in this way. Triratna, the three jewels. Samyak darshan, rational perception or right faith. To understand the truth in the preaching of the Tirthankar and to have faith in it. Samyak Jnana, rational knowledge or right knowledge. Studying the preaching and philosophy of the Tirthankar regularly and learning its deep meaning. Samyak Charitra, rational conduct or right conduct. Strictly following the 5 great vows, which we discussed in the previous slide. Samyak means balanced. Essence of his teachings. Vardhaman Mahavir taught the people that greatness of man does not depend on his varna but on his conduct, means behavior. His teachings were love all living things, have mercy and compassion, live and let live. Thank you.